Having a tax attorney when you're a small business owner like myself is almost a requirement. You need to have a good tax person. It's critical. And now, after having a really good one in Darren Mish, it does make you sleep better at night. My name's Kevin Kelly, and I am an IT professional in manufacturing systems. I've had my own business for 35 years. We've gone through ups and downs, and taxes were always a challenge. I could not tell what my tax burden was. I couldn't have told what my business tax liability was. At one point, seriously believed that I was in debt to the government for more than $500,000. After the first year of engagement with Darren, it really came to great fruition, and it was all paid. The IRS confirmed it. I've received lien releases on the properties that they had liened, and so it's all behind me, totally all behind me. Darren Mish's office has been very good to me. They have spoken with me often. If I wanted to talk for a couple of minutes about how I felt that day, I always felt comforted. You should always have a tax attorney at the ready. Whether you're under an agreement with them or not, they need to be a phone call away, just as Darren was for me.